Did you know that popcorn is the world's most popular snack food? It's also the most profitable snack food with over 1000% markup when sold in shops. Now that's a pretty decent profit margin. G'day gastromites and welcome to History of a Dish. I'm your host Torbs Lindgren, and today we're taking a look at the history of one of the world's most popular snack foods, the poppin' popcorn. Popcorn is a variety of corn kernel which expands and puffs up when heated, and the foodstuff produced from that very expansion. A popcorn kernel's strong hull contains the seed's hard, starchy shell which turns to steam as the kernel is heated. Pressure from the steam continues to build until the hull ruptures, allowing the kernel to forcefully expand from 20 to 50 times its original size. Alright, so the oldest popcorn known to date was found in New Mexico in 1948. Deep down in a dry cave, small heads of corn were discovered, as well as several individually popped kernels. The kernels have since been carbon dated to be approximately 5,600 years old. How they exactly do that is anyone's guess, but trust the experts, I say. There's also decorated funeral urns in Mexico from 300 AD that depict a maize god with popped kernels adorning his headdress. Evidence of popcorn throughout Central and South America is rampant, and the natives from North America also have a rich history documenting the consumption of popcorn. As colonists began moving to North America, they adopted the popular Native American snack food. Not only was popcorn eaten as a snack, but it was also reported to have been eaten with milk and sugar like a breakfast cereal. Now, that sounds interesting, might give that a try tomorrow. New Americans continued to love and consume popcorn, and by the 1800s it was one of the most popular snack foods. Popcorn was not only commonly made at home, but it was also sold at general stores, concession stands, carnivals and circuses. Although several methods of popping corn had been developed, the first commercial popcorn machine was invented in Chicago in 1885. The machine was mobile, allowing it to roam the streets, and had a gasoline burner. The popularity of these street popcorn vendors grew at approximately the same time that movies burst onto the scene. The roaming popcorn vendors could often be found near the crowds, especially outside theaters. This coincidence gave birth to the tradition of popcorn being a favorite movie snack. And the rest, as they say, is culinary history. If you enjoyed this episode and actually did learn something, then continue watching either of these two videos. You can also visit the playlist section or browse the entire History of a Dish video library. Thank you for watching, have a fantabulous day and eat hard.